Hi, welcome to my class. A few things about me. I went to BYU, Idaho for my undergrad, and then I did my master's at BYU Utah in literature. I teach online classes for BYUI. I also teach all levels of writing from English 890 to English 2010 here at UVU. I was born in Utah, but I grew up in Idaho Falls and Rexburg, Idaho, and I come from a family of 7 children, 4 girls and 3 boys. My great-grandparents immigrated from Japan, so I'm half Japanese American, even if you can't tell. I love teaching. I have taught a couple semesters of oral English in China, a year of kindergarten, and a summer of shotgun. So I enjoy lots of teaching, not just English and writing. And I have lots of different interests. I like to read and, of course, watch movies, TV. I like lots of different types of music. I like to make food and cook. And I also like to do creative things and paint and those kinds of things. And in this class, we're going to learn lots about writing, and hopefully you guys will be able to use your creativity to not only a, a unleash you and talk about some of the personal things about you, but also help bridge the gap to academic writing.